Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the underscore lines the same length in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make the underscore line same length. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and choose blank. Then go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am select the line shape. You can draw the line horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw horizontally. Press shift on our keyboard. Then go to the shape format menu. You can change the white. Select the white option and change the white. Then click right button again. Select the copy option and right button and choose paste. Then place side by side. You can paste multiple. Now we can see we make the underscore line same length very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.